nostalgic niya rin. So, let's go to church na this week.
Parang Jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon na rin.
Sige, yun na lang pong rating na recommend yun. Apo, yung pang.
Kaya, parang siya sobrang
I just woke up. It's actually 3:50 p.m. Ganito talaga yung body clock ko because I work Eastern time and I want to get as much activity in as possible today. So you're gonna go and spend the day with me. Punta tayo ng mall. We're gonna run some errands and find some things. But first, let's go prepare and grab a cup of matcha. I'm in UP Town Center. Sobrang ganda ng sunset. We're just gonna go around and find a few things. Mainly sports items na kailangan ko for badminton. And a few other things like pouches for my Go Ultra accessories. So let's go! Just gonna get a few things and then we're heading home. Guys, made it in time for work and I'm gonna be showing you the things that I got earlier from Just G. So happy with the pieces that I got from Just G. These are smart buys. Hindi ko ito i-gatekeep. They're called smart buys because they apparently have damages on them. Pero karamihan ng damages na yun is either may himulmul lang na hindi perfect yung tahi or natatanggal yung tag, which is tinatanggal ko naman talaga paminsan kasi makate. And then, sobrang laki ng discount. Like, for example, this piece that I love so much. Ang price niya talaga is, wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. 1,699. Kita ba? Tapos, nakuha ko siya ng 525 pesos. Tapos, ang damage niya lang is, hindi perfect yung tahi niya sa loob. Since nananahi naman ako, I don't really mind. Kasi yung surge lang naman sa kanya yung hindi bongga, yung pagka-perfect. But, all in all, hindi mo siya mapapansin talaga. Another thing that I love about Just G is, ang ganda ng mga tela nila. Ang dami nilang cotton, linen, and other nice fabrics. Kasi ayoko na talagang susuot ng polyester as much as possible. And then they have embroideries as well, like this one. These two tops I got for 150 pesos each. And then, also, ang nice lang kasi ang damage niya lang naman talaga is yung tag, hindi siya sobrang nakakabit perfectly. Ito yung nagpapasok sa akin sa shop kasi nakita ko sobrang cute niya. It looks like my baby girl Aria. It's a poodle and it's an anik-anik I can put on my bag. And then also this one. I don't play baseball, but it's so cute and it's so me. The color is very me. So I got this one. I dropped by Chris Sports also to get compression wristband because I'm gonna be playing badminton this week. Okay, so yun lang. Yun lang naman yung nagawa ko. And then, pinaka-importante is yung meals ng fur babies ko.
Gusto mo try yung dalawa na?
Actually, opo. Para, parang mas sakto.
Lang.
Opo, pag naka-medyas, parang mas sakto na siya. Sige, I'll try po yung isa. Thank you so much.
Coffee.
Elaine.
Ayun ako. Yung score.
Kakaluin mo.
Di ba yung sad ending?
Ano yung tukbok mo ng pitado?
Hindi, akin.
Ha?
Akin to.
Ay,
Ay, hindi akin. I mean, iba to. I mean, ano tawag doon? Yan yung in-order ko. Damot.
Ah, sige.
Ito.
Nakakain yung in-order ko.
Hindi, sweet yan.
Huwag kang makikihalo.
Parang jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon na red. Red na black.
Yung pa, I'm sure.
Spicy.
Yung ba?
Ginanon mo yung basil.
Ha? Ay, ikaw mag-ganon ako magbibili.
Ang comforting nyo. Nakunat pa. It's Sunday and it's about 4 p.m. and we're going to BGC. We're gonna do a bunch of things, look for a bunch of stuff, just chill there, walk around, and also we're gonna attend church service. That's the most important part of the day. So come on, come with me. Let's go. See you later, babies. Hello, see you later.
Naman ako para
Excuse me. We're walking going to Every Nation. When I used to live in Makati, I used to be here every morning ng Sunday hanggang afternoon. And I would walk these streets papunta sa church. And super nostalgic niya lang din. So, let's go to church service.
Your strength beyond all measure. You reign with me forever. You are a mighty shelter. Your love is like no other. Your strength beyond all measure.
I'm walking, going to SM Aura. Puro lakad tayo today kasi ito na talaga yung workout ko dahil nga the other day hindi ako nakapag-badminton. But we are walking towards SM Aura kasi we have a few things that we need to buy and we're also gonna have dinner because I'm famished.
To for light to medium.
Yan na yung best mo. Yan
Yes.
na lang siguro.
May mas
So, okay
lighter
siya
pa
for
naman
daily.
dun. Pero yun nga, yung coverage niya, malilesen din.
Mm,
Magbe-blend ka ng super nipis na pagka medyo light pa.
okay, sige yun na lang pong
3 to 4.
i-recommend niya. 3 to 4.
How about powder na?
Okay na po. So powder. Thank you. Okay, thank you, ate.
Thank you po.
I feel like at this point, dapat may trolley ako kasi sobrang konti pa lang ng dala ko and it's mostly bread. Tapos nangalay niya yung kamay ko kasi nakasabit siya sa arm ko like this. I probably need a trolley when my husband's not around to help me carry stuff. Just bought a shuttlecock.